Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get the questions? So you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select Academics Adda. In Academics Adda, you need to select math important questions. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay friends, coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. We need to prove that for all integers a, if e square minus 1 is not divisible by 8, then a is even. Okay, so we need to prove that if e square minus 1 is not divisible by 8, then a will be even number. Okay, so see, as e square minus 1 is not divisible by a, so we can say that a square minus 1 will be not equal to 8 times the integer, where k is the integer. Okay, it will be not equal to 8 into k. So we can write a square will be not equal to 8k plus 1. We have added 1 on both sides. Okay, then a square will not be equal to, see, 8k can be written as 2 times 4k plus 1 and let 4k equal to j. So we will get from here a square is not equal to twice of j plus 1. Now you can see a square is not equal to twice of j plus 1. Twice of j will be what? See, j is an integer, okay, because k is an integer and j equal to 4 times k, so j will always be an integer. So 2 times of any integer will always be even. Okay, it will be always a even number. So 2j plus 1, it will always be odd because 2j will be even. So if we add 1 to any number, any even number, then we will get a odd number. Okay, now e square is a odd number. Okay, and we know that square of an odd integer must be an odd integer, or in other words, if the square of an integer is not odd, then integer must not be odd. Okay, now as you can see, e square is not equal to 2j plus 1, so it is not odd. We can say e square is not odd. It means a will not be odd. Okay, a must not be odd, and then if a is not odd and it is given that a is an integer, okay, it is given that a is an integer, then a must be even. Hence for all integers a, if a square minus 1 is not divisible by 8, then n will be even. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.